Zhuhai Kai-Hao Electronics Company Limited, established in 2010, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the R&D, production, sale, and service of robot vacuum cleaner, robot window cleaner, cordless handheld vacuum cleaner, always focusing on precision mechanism industry and intelligent industry. We will provide excellent quality and competitive prices for all products. Our company located in the beautiful coastal city, Zhuhai, with convenient transportation access. In recent years, we have introduced a series of advanced equipment, including high-speed CNC machines. In addition, we have obtained certifications such as CE, FCC, ROHS, CCC, hot selling in China and overseas countries, such as Asia, Europe, and America. Imass was created by Kai-Hao, new as a new intelligent high-tech brand with warmth. She is young, but having promising potential future. As robot vacuum cleaner, the cleaning coverage rate up to 98.79%. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to meet your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction, having very good reputation all over the world. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders, no matter select from our current products or develop the new model from new idea. Just come and talk with our professional service team. We will offer you a perfect solution. Looking forward to establish the long-term and win-win partnership with you.